Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Columbia Moda, Columbia's Fashion Week, and we're here at Sylvia Alfonso's stand. Do you know Sylvia? She's a lovely lady from Bucaramanga. Hi there.
Hi, Brian.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Great. Your collection over here looks fantastic. Come on over.
Thank you.
You were telling me that this number here is one of your favorite pieces.
Yes, this is like a very wearable dress. We have it like with the sleeve version and with a short sleeve version.
Right.
And I love the colors. We also have another version like black and white and like
It's
light
gorgeous.
blue and white.
Oh, what do we have here? This is the color of the
Like
season, purple.
Yeah, it's purple with a bright neon belt with a symmetrical low cut and strapless dress with a accents in neon color neon
Right.
accents. And
You make all of this here in Colombia.
in Bucaramanga, Colombia.
Ah, Bucaramanga, the city of shoes and the cities of Hormigas Culonas. It's a wonderful place. And your last collection was all about the forces of nature. Tell me about your new collection coming.
Well, this new collection is all about going east.
Going east.
It's inspired on the oriental prints
Right.
with a vintage mood, with the little dresses, 30s, 50s dresses, very high waist, feminine look.
And who wears your clothes? Because I'm looking at all these fabulous cuts and colors. I mean, this is really for everyday modern woman, right?
Everyday modern woman. It's a woman that wants to feel young but classy at the same time, and it's like have fun with the fashion.
Just like her from Bucaramanga. Remember, your webpage, please.
SylviaAlfonso.com.
And she'll send them anywhere you want in the world. She wants your business because you need to be wearing clothes that are made in Colombia. Reporting from Columbia Moda, I'm Brian Andrews.